Here are the people who live in Amit's house. There's grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, Amit and his sister. In Amit's family, everyone helps with the work at home. The pictures tell you who does what. Look at each picture. First tell me what they are doing. Then tell me who is doing that work. Let's start with you, Jenny.
Cooking. Amit's mother, father, and grandmother are cooking.
Ahmad.
Sweeping. Amit's mother is sweeping the floor.
Nikhil.
Washing clothes. Amit's mother and sister are washing clothes.
Ruchi.
Folding clothes. Amit and his father are folding clothes.
Ahmad.
Tidying up. Amit, his sister, and grandfather are tidying up the room.
Nikhil.
Washing the pots and pans. Amit's mother and father are washing the pots and pans.
Jenny.
Washing the cups and saucers. Amit's grandmother is washing the cups and saucers.
Ruchi.
Bringing vegetables. Amit's grandmother and sister are bringing vegetables.
Jenny.
Cleaning the bathroom. Amit and his grandfather are cleaning the bathroom.
Ahmad.
Bringing things from the market.
Amit and his parents are bringing things from the market.
Do you help with work at home?
Yes!
Good. Let's clap for everybody. Now, children, prepare a chart about who does what work in your home. Draw a table like the one on the wall and fill in the details. You can add more rows to list all the work at home, like hanging out the clothes to dry, or filling the water for drinking,